Hello, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I will share with you on how to fix buffering in MovieBox. If you're experiencing buffering in MovieBox, simply means like maybe lagging in MovieBox or experiencing kind of you cannot download or stream with the app for any reason. The first thing you have to check is your internet connection. You can just go to your internet, turn on your airplane for 15 to 20 minutes and turn it off again. The next thing you can do is to clear your cache. To do that, you just have to go to the phone settings, click steadily on the app, click on app info. So right here, you just have to click on storage and cache, clear your cache. The next thing you can do is to click on force stop. Force stop helps to stop the misbehavior in the app at that point in time. The next thing you can do, having done that, is to update the app. To update the app, you have to uninstall the app, then go to your official source and reinstall the app to your device. Now when you want to restore it, try to make sure you install the updated version of that app. The next thing you can do is to restart your phone. That is by clicking steadily at the power button. So when you do that, you click on restart option and restart your phone. That way it will reduce the glitches and lag in the phone and the app at that particular point in time and help the app to work very well. So guys, that is it on how to fix buffering in your MovieBox. If this video was helpful, please do also follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.